In this guide, I'm going to show you how to use the cure in Violence District Roblox. Intro. Now, of course, you can get the cure just by opening up the shop and then finding the little plague doctor right here and then equipping them from so. And the cure is a killer focused on infecting survivors with pestilence and slowing them down. Now, of course, you can use the elucidation to charge and throw a flask towards survivors. And whenever the flask does land, it creates a pestilence cloud that could slow survivors by up to 30% and infect them. Now, each infected survivor also does give the cure a 5% boost to braking and vaulting speed. You can use the slowdown to close distance, cut survivors off at loops, and land your basic attacks. And pestilence automatically disappears from a survivor after about 90 seconds, so make sure you keep spreading it throughout the match. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.